Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, please make sure that you like, comment, and also subscribe to this channel. I share entertainment, news, celebrity gossip. If you are someone who likes Indaba Zabantu, this is definitely the channel for you. Guys, Mihlalin Damase is currently in danger, as she said. Ugel released a statement on Instagram saying that she feels like her life is in danger because of a man called Michael Brits. Ne? So this man has been courting Umihlalin Damase. Bekaloka mshela, So Mihlalin Damase didn't accept Kesana, Mihlalin Damase didn't accept his advances, and then Ukai started stalking her. So now she feels like her life is in danger. She released a really, really long statement, guys, saying Guti, this guy has been following her where she goes. This guy has been paying people to follow her. Imagine saying Guti, this guy has been paying people to take pictures of her. This guy has been approaching her family members, guys. Cabangan, kanti amadoda anjani, yeah? So this guy has been approaching family members, asking about her. So Ukelje, she feels like her life is in danger. This person is showing up even in her place of work. Cabang. So Usi Ukeliana, she is issuing the statement just to, like say something because she can't keep quiet anymore. Uguti nje, if something happens to her, let it be known Uguti, a person called Michael Bretz was stalking her, taking pictures of her everywhere that she goes. She has been seeing this guy following her, all because in phone sana. So Ukel released the statement. Uthi nje, guys, please, if something happens to me, let it be known ukuthi this person is the main suspect. And she also said ukuthi she is not releasing the statement just to gain pity or to ukuthi public nje inzwele ubuhlungu, but uthi she is releasing the statement just to alert people over there ukuthi if something happens to me, this person Michael Britz is the main suspect. Like sana kuningi, hey kuningi nina, kuningi, like Mihlalin Damase. And Mihlalin Damase, the way she has tarnished her reputation ngakhona, people are not even, okay, not everyone, but some people don't even believe the statement that she released. They just think, oh, udlimali yakhe, so now she doesn't want to give him the things, but she ate the money. And some people are saying things like, ukuthi, if you know that you don't want a guy, why do you take his things? Why do you take his money and don't own? Like, no one believes Umihlali anymore now. Even when she states, guys, my life is in danger. People are just there with their own understandings and own superstitions. Like, it's really bad. It's really, really bad. But I guess it's a good thing that she spoke up, because the person who Michael Brett Lower now he is going to be scared to do something, because we as with hey, people know Wutinje, I am a danger to this person. So if something happens, we as Wuti, he is to blame. So I guess maybe it was a good thing that she released that statement. But nje sana, be careful what you do, guys. Let us not tarnish our reputation nje kanjalo nje. Even when you are facing serious problems, people are not gonna believe you. They think, it's another married man. We are used to her dating a married man. We are used to her taking money from sugar daddies. Now she can't take it anymore. Kuning, kuning. But I do feel for her, guys. In being stalked is not a child's play. Hey, like, it's really, really not a child's play. We just wish her all the best, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. I will see you on my next one. Bye.